Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to rotate image in Canva. It is very simple and easy. To rotate any image in Canva, first add the image to your Canva canvas. Let's say I want to add an image like city, and this image I want to add first. After adding the image, just click here to select the image and you will find a rotate icon here, and just right click here and drag it to rotate the image. You can move or rotate your image and you will see the angle of the image is showing here once you are rotating the image. It is pretty handy. If you need to get a perfect angle, you can do it and check it, the angle of the image, the rotation angle of the image. Let's see, it is now 4 degree and now it is 0 degree. And if you want to rotate it 90 degree, you can do it. So now it is 90 degree. And if you want to rotate it in 180 degree, this is now in 180 degree. This way you can rotate any of your image and it's very simple. Thank you for watching this video. If you feel this video helps you, please subscribe my channel. If you have question, please throw a comment below. I will see and read each of the comment and reply every comment. Thank you so much.